Hi everyone, it's Anna from Northern Lights Winery, and today we're going to be doing some campfire cooking. We're going to be making craft dinner grilled cheese sandwiches. So we're going to heat up our pan with some oil, and now I'm going to mix together the leftover macaroni and cheese and some shredded cheese. I've got some cheddar and I've got mozzarella. And I'm going to try to form a little patty here so that we can fry it in the hot pan. Cook each side until golden brown. It'll take about 6 to 8 minutes per side. We're going to spread mayo on one side of each of the bread slices. Going to place one slice mayo side down in the pan and add 2 slices of cheddar cheese. We're going to add that macaroni patty, get that cooked bacon, and the remaining cheddar slices, and then we're going to top with the other slice of bread with the mayo side up. Now we're going to fry each side until golden brown and the cheese is nicely melted. This twist on a lunchtime favorite pairs perfectly with our cuvee blanche. Cheers, guys!